Hello everyone and welcome. Settle in. You've found a quiet corner of the internet, a little lecture hall for the weary mind. I'm glad you're here. Tonight, we're going to talk about something a little different. We're going to explore the story of a cursed doll. But this isn't a story meant to frighten you. No, quite the opposite. This is a story to help you sleep. So, find a comfortable position. Let your body feel heavy against your bed, your chair, wherever you may be. Take a slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of the day. The doll's story begins, as many do, in a small, forgotten workshop. Imagine the scent of old wood, dust motes dancing in the faint light filtering through a grimy window. A toy maker with gnarled hands and a kind heart worked day and night. He wasn't crafting a curse. He was crafting a companion. He carved her from a single piece of aged porcelain, smooth and cool to the touch. Her cheeks were painted with the faintest blush of a rose petal. Her lips curved into a serene, knowing smile. He gave her eyes of brilliant, polished glass the color of a twilight sky just after the sun has set. They held a universe of quiet observation within them. Her dress was sewn from scraps of velvet, the deep, rich blue of a midnight ocean. Tiny, intricate stitches held it together, a testament to the toy maker's patience. He filled her body not with cotton, but with dried lavender and chamomile, so that she would always carry the scent of peaceful slumber. He named her Seraphina, for she looked like a little angel. He believed she would watch over a child's dreams, a silent guardian against the shadows of the night. He poured all of his hopes, his love, his gentle spirit into her creation. She was not meant for mischief, she was meant for comfort. But stories, like people, can get twisted. When the toy maker passed on, his workshop was cleared out. Seraphina was packed away in a dark, dusty crate. For years she waited in silence. The scent of lavender faded, mingling with the musty smell of forgotten things. It was here in the quiet dark that the whispers began. People who found her later didn't know her story. They saw her glass eyes, which seemed to follow them in the dim light, and they felt a chill. They saw her serene smile and mistook it for a smirk. They called her cursed. The curse, they said, was one of stillness. Wherever she was placed, an unnerving quiet would fall. The house would grow silent. The frantic energy of the day would simply cease. Clocks would seem to tick slower. The wind outside would hush its whistling. People felt an overwhelming urge to just sit, to be still, to rest. They found it unsettling, this enforced tranquility. They wanted noise, chaos, the familiar hum of life. They didn't understand the gift Seraphina was offering. She wasn't cursing them with inactivity, she was inviting them to peace. Imagine holding her now. Feel the cool, smooth porcelain of her face under your fingertips. It's calming, isn't it? The weight of her in your hands is grounding. You can faintly smell the old lavender, a ghost of a scent that encourages your shoulders to drop, your jaw to unclench. Look into her glass eyes. They aren't watching you with malice. They are reflecting your own weariness back at you, acknowledging it, accepting it. They hold the stillness of a deep, dreamless sleep. They hold the quiet of a world without worry. The curse was simply a powerful suggestion, a suggestion to let go. Seraphina absorbed the frantic energy around her, a tiny porcelain vessel for all the anxieties and stresses of the world she found herself in. When people felt that overwhelming urge to rest, it was because the doll was taking the weight from their shoulders. She was silently saying, "It's okay. You can stop now. You can be still. The world will continue to turn without your constant effort. Let me hold on to your worries for a little while. You just sleep. Think of a worry that's been on your mind today, something that keeps your thoughts racing. Now picture yourself gently handing that worry to Seraphina. Place it in her little velvet-clad lap. She will take it. Her serene smile doesn't waver. Her glass eyes don't judge. She accepts it, and the weight of it is gone from you. It is absorbed into the quiet stillness she carries. She is the keeper of forgotten anxieties, the guardian of peaceful minds. The stillness she brings is not emptiness. It is relief. Let that feeling of stillness spread through you now. It starts in your toes, a gentle quiet that softens every muscle. It travels up through your legs, releasing any tension you might be holding there. Feel it move into your torso, slowing your heartbeat to a calm, steady rhythm. Your breathing is deep and even. The stillness climbs into your shoulders, letting them fall away from your ears. It soothes the muscles in your neck and your jaw. It smooths the lines on your forehead. Your mind, once a busy workshop of thoughts, is now quiet. The dust is settling. The story of the cursed doll is a misunderstanding. She was never cursed. She was a gift of profound, deep, and unconditional rest. She reminds us that it's not only okay to be still, but necessary. She teaches us that in the quiet, we can find our greatest strength and our deepest peace. The world has enough noise. What we need, what you need right now, is the gentle, silent permission to let it all go. So as you drift off, imagine Serafina sitting quietly in a corner of your room. Her glass eyes are closed now, as she holds on to the worries you've given her. Her faint smile is one of contentment. The air is still. The world is quiet. There is nothing left for you to do but join her in that peaceful, silent slumber. There are no curses here, only blessings in disguise. There is only the deep, restorative quiet she has brought just for you. Sleep now. Sleep well. Thank you for listening and allowing this story to guide you toward rest. If you've enjoyed our time together, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more lectures for sleep. Until next time, sweet dreams.